Okay, I just want to say that this is obviously really old footage because we're still in quarantine. Theme parks aren't open here in Florida, so obviously I'm not there recording this because of that. So I just wanted to put that out there before I even post this, that I'm just posting this for memory's sake because who knows when I'll be at a theme park again. So, okay. Are you out here vlogging?
It's really hot.
It's hot. It's really hot.
About 100
Sweating.
degrees.
Basically. That's what it feels like.
I want to get a picture of me.
That's pretty.
Oh, look.
That's Everest.
I believe we're going into Discovery Land. What are we going to discover?
Help. How do you vlog in real life?
Oh, capture that, capture that.
Capture what?
It's a Starbucks, guys.
A Starbucks.
Put your van back on. Don't bump into the
Smells so good. Oh, how cute! Look, they have like a Lion King. That's cute.
Whoa.
It's a Demogorgon. Oh, is it gonna spray water? No.
Uh-oh.
No.
That doesn't sound good.
No.
Hey, check it out. I can't believe it. Even that guy showed up. See, that guy doesn't show up for a chance to anything.
Well, we welcome you and all of you to Swoltuaya.
The Navi saved the place and saw.
Yes. Now, long, long ago, before the Navi moved up to the mountain, they placed all these embedded instruments here to be used for joyous celebrations. Now, through song and these drums, the Navi shared their stories and more closely connected with AWOL. AWOL!
I'm sweating so bad. So we decided to go on a ride. It's 80 minutes long, but it's worth it.
80 minutes short, let's be
Yeah,
clear. 80 minutes
because
short.
all the others are like 2 hours long, but it's fine. And I'm sweating. Really bad.
Look how she drinks that, guys. So graceful. She's gorgeous.
Okay. Oh god. Look at you. Are you ready for this?
Hold on, get my good side.
There you go. You just chugged the rest of that.
Nope.
You chugged the rest of that Gatorade. Yes, you did. Alright, this is gonna be a long 80 minutes, but it'll be worth it.
It was the Pandora ride. It was a journey.
We got off the Pandora ride. I don't think it was worth 80 minutes.
No.
But it was fun. Gave us something to do. Right now we're eating at, where are we eating? I don't know.
The Pizza Safari.
We're eating out at the Pizza Safari. We had pizza. What else? Oh,
it was
not
frozen pizza.
No, it wasn't.
Tasted like it.
It was $10 for a piece of pizza, so we shared and ate snacks. And now we are about to go to Dino Land.
And ride the dinosaur ride.
Yeah, we're gonna ride the dinosaur ride because that's what we have a fast pass for. And we don't want to wait 80 minutes again. So that's what we're gonna go do.
Yep, and someone's about to beat us up for our spot too, so
yeah, watch this. The second we get up, someone's gonna
snatch this spot quick.
Someone's gonna want our spot, so we're gonna go.
They're dancing.
They're gonna see how much I'm sweating.
I'm dying. Help us.
It's really hot, y'all. We're in Florida, so let's see what the actual degrees is. Oh my god, it's 97. It's 97 degrees in Orlando. We're sweating. Mostly sunny for the rest of the day. We're about to get on, what's it called? Dinosaur? We're gonna get on Dinosaur. I don't know what I was gonna say. Help.
The heat's messing with our brain.
Oh yeah, I can't think because it's so hot outside.
Oh, and we're gonna get ice cream.
Oh yeah, after the dinosaur thing, it's supposed to be done at like 3:15, so then we're gonna get ice cream and then we're gonna go on Mount Everest.
We're gonna meet a Yeti.
Yeah, we're gonna see the Yeti. And that's it. So I'm excited, even though I'm sweating and I look so disgusting.
You look gorgeous.
No. Anyways. Well, guys, oh crap. Those are bad. Okay, there we go. We're completely dead. Look at us. I look disgusting. We got some ice cream. It's melting. I don't even know what else to say. Basically, we're done.
I'm dead.
And I want to go home. I don't want to be here anymore. Oh, you just... But we're gonna go home now.
Let's do it.
Well, guys, that's that. We are defeated by the heat. And we are going home. We're really tired. He doesn't even want to talk. He's mad that I get to take a nap on the way home and he doesn't. Honestly, that's what he's mad about. But we're headed home! And we had fun, right? We had a good time.
Yeah.
It was fun. Even though it was hot out, we just know now not to go during summertime.
That's cool.
It was a good experience. So, anyways, bye guys!